Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix your iPhone is not configured to allow phone calls using this iPad problem. So open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on apps, tap on phone. Now tap on calls on other device and turn on the option for allow calls on other device. If you see a message saying it cannot turn on call, ensure the Apple ID on both your iPhone and iPad are same. If the Apple IDs are not same, uh, log in with the same Apple ID. If you still you're facing the issue, go to settings again, and this time go to FaceTime and tap on it. Make sure the use Apple ID for FaceTime option is checked. From here, make sure use Apple ID for FaceTime is checked, and so that's it. Once sign in, go back to the phone app and allow the option.